Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. This is Chef Vicky Ratnani and we are here to give you 200 Tiffin recipes for 200 school days by India's most favorite chefs. Today we are making banana and jam sushi rolls. Now this recipe is very interesting because A, it's very easy to make, and secondly, the jam and the banana with the brown rice and the roti along with some nuts are going to give a lot of energy to your child and keep him happy and chirpy. So let me show you how to create Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So we have some really nice cooked brown rice here, okay. Now brown rice is generally healthier than white rice. We have some walnuts, which is called brain food, which is really good for kids. I'm going to be adding just a touch of lemon juice, okay, just to give a really nice flavor to it. Now to get a taste of some real fruit, I'm going to be using a nice big dollop of Kissan Mixed Fruit Jam inside here. Beautiful. And then we give this a nice mix. The taste of the brown rice with the jam and some really nice bananas is going to be a sensational recipe for your child. So once our mixture is ready, so we take a ripe banana. For this recipe, you have to make sure that your banana is actually ripe. If you want to even use an overripe banana, no big deal, go for it. So we're going to cut our bananas into two pieces like this. Now using a chapati instead of a nori sheet, okay. So literally just spread your rice mixture. After that we add our banana to this and then literally like rolling up a sushi, slightly tighter. Next we trim the sides and then cut it into two nice pieces. And our fantastic tiffin meal is ready. Now let's put our tiffin together. Some kishmish, some really good raisins for some good energy. Lovely fresh papaya. And then we have our fabulous sushi rolls. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I'm going to be back tomorrow with an amazing recipe so that you can create Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. See you soon.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.